Hey, everybody.
Welcome.
Welcome. It's Saturday night.
Yes, we're so happy that you're here. Oh my gosh, we have another fun show for you because we're going to be talking about Harley Davidson collectibles. Now, we all know that famous logo. When we see it, we know to check it out, look them up. Chances are you got something that's going to sell.
Yes.
Yeah.
And have to tell you how we ended up doing this show, because this week I had this crazy thing happen. And the first thing I thought of was, oh, we have to do a show on this. So anyways, I was outsourcing, doing my thing, whatever. And I stumbled upon a bunch of Harley Davidson shirts, t-shirts.
Yeah.
Most of them were sleeveless, but I'm talking, I think I picked up probably...
You can see them in the back here.
Yeah, you can see them in the background. And welcome to our office, illuminated. We usually have the mood lighting on for you guys, but check this out behind here and check out all of these gorgeous shirts that were in this collection. So I knew they were worth something. And so I snatched them all up. Some are worth more than others, obviously. But wow, I couldn't believe that people walked by and they were all lined up. So anyways, wow. I'm super excited because I brought them all home. I was like, Dustin, we have to do a show on this. It's going to be so good. So we have some info to share with you guys. And hopefully we'll inspire you to keep your eyes open for some of these t-shirts. So let's get into it.
Yeah, guys. Wow. So check that out back there. We got like 5 or 6 of them there. All of those are sleeveless except for one. They come from different dealerships, different cities and all that. So pretty awesome, because some of these, when you get into the vintage, can go for some really good money. It's pretty crazy.
So one of the things that's really important when you're out looking for these t-shirts, and what makes it so unique, is that you have the Harley Davidson thing going on the front, but on the back there's a different city, different dealership, and so people want to collect all of them.
Well, you'd hope so. Especially if you got a good variety of them. So I think also what makes them very collectible are the graphics. Whatever's screen printed on these, I think, is what makes them the most valuable.
Yes.
Okay, so like, check this out. Wow. Okay, this one.
This one is super cool.
Shark on it.
Yeah, where's the shark?
He's riding the motorcycle here. Yeah, pretty sweet right there.
Yeah.
It's got some flames, it's got the motorcycle, it's got a shark that's portraying a human. So all of these little things are things that are going to make the shirt a little more valuable than, say, one that just says Harley Davidson Pompano.
Yeah.
Or Pompano Beach, So look for the graphics. I think that is what makes them super valuable.
That's true. They do. And looking behind us right here, out of the group that I have, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 behind us are pretty, I would say, not basic, but more, more popular, I guess you could say. Yeah.
They've those ones don't have like the like the shark on the bike type graphics, but they're still really cool.
I wanted to tell you, are they? Oh yeah, okay. So we have one from Columbia, Tennessee. We have one from Nevada,
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. That one I think could be really fun. Another one from Columbia, Tennessee, Savannah, Georgia, and Lynchburg, Tennessee. So I have a feeling this person spent a lot of time in Tennessee.
Yeah, traveling around, biking around, collecting sleeveless t-shirts.
I could not believe how much these t-shirts are going for.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So let's check that out, actually. We got some eBay comps coming up here. We're going to look at Harley Davidson t-shirts for sale. Now, we're filtering these by used, and we're seeing that there are, let's see here. We're going to scroll down here, and we're going to actually look at the ones that are available. So there's 72,000 Harley Davidson t-shirts available.
Holy cow!
I know, right? Now, that means you're up for a lot of competition, but if you got the ones that are a little bit cooler, you're going to see, we're going to see how many have sold now. 18,000 have sold.
18,000.
Yeah. So, we got a decent, 1 in 3 sell-through rate. It's not the greatest, but you can pretty much guarantee that if you got a really cool one, that it's going to sell. So, oh my gosh, let's look at this. Wow, $2,000, $1,400 for one t-shirt. Okay,
for one t-shirt, and it looks like the first and the third are the same print.
Yeah. So we're seeing that a couple of them here have a same print that are worth quite a bit here. So one of them is a 3D emblem t-shirt with a bunch of animals having a party. Again, there's
that's our house, actually.
Yeah, right. I know.
The animals.
Yeah, right. So again, the animal theme is up there. Also that what do you call it with a farmer and his wife standing there, American something.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah.
We got a play on that there, worth about $1,000.
That's pretty rad.
There, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're seeing the Statue of Liberty here. We have, a great graphic of that, worth $1,000 or so.
I thought we had one with no, we don't have one with
the Statue of Liberty. I didn't see one, honey, but
dang, okay.
I know. It definitely wasn't this one, though. I know that.
Right?
Oh my gosh. With $1,000, we'd have been jumping for joy.
We would have been out to dinner right now. Just kidding.
Yeah, right. And look for the eagle, too. That's very American.
And it's very Harley Davidson.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So in case you guys didn't know this, Harley Davidson's actually been around since 1903. Yeah. And they didn't start actually producing merchandise until 1994 because they merged with another company and got the licensing to produce Harley Davidson. But one of the things that I thought was so cool is that originally when the owner decided to start doing screen printing on jerseys and t-shirts and all that stuff, they were making them for youth leagues.
Oh, cool.
So they were working with kids and all that stuff. And then it just sort of spiraled from there because they were so cool. And that is the way it actually all began.
That is so cool.
Yeah, I thought so.
Starting off with helping out the school, the like little league teams and stuff. That's awesome.
Yeah.
So cool. So again, I mean, if we're looking at all of these Harley Davidson t-shirts after they started, getting produced there, these are just awesome. Wow.
I've actually sold a couple of Harley Davidson pieces myself. I actually sold a really pretty pink sweatshirt and it had gold. It was like silver on it. It was really pretty. I sold that for $35, which was really nice. And I think I paid just a couple bucks for it. And then the cutest little thing I sold that was Harley Davidson was a patch. I found a really cute pink patch, pink and black. So it was like sort of feminine, but still like rock and roll, super cool. And it was about this big. And I just, I sold it for $9. I got it for 50 cents. They paid for shipping and it took me 2 seconds to photograph it, but it was Harley Davidson.
Yeah. Anything with that emblem on it, it's a good chance that, if you pick it up, it may not sit around too long. It could, but I've sold a couple of Harley Davidson items myself, of course. I mean, when you find them, I've sold some plush. I've sold the very first purse that I've ever sold was a Harley Davidson purse. Now, before we met, I knew nothing about purses
or clothes.
Yes, but I saw this really rustic looking, I would know to call it like a clutch or a crossbody purse now, but it was a Harley Davidson branded. It was all like distressed and really cool looking. So
look at you go.
I was like, you know what? I'm going to try selling a purse here. And that I did. I got like $60 for that thing.
Yeah, purses you can do really well with.
Yeah, especially Harley Davidson ones that are all torn up and tattered and
weathered
worn and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, totally. Actually, we have a really cool pair of boots too, remember?
Yeah, you did.
Upstairs, the black ones.
Yeah, you might remember us finding those boots actually in one of the first videos that we ever did together.
I know.
Thrifting videos at Goodwill.
I'm going to go back and check those out again. I'm going to go revisit the price and get a little something going on with those winter cute boots.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Try to get them sold.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, that's an example. I mean, they've been sitting up for a while. Maybe we overpriced them a little bit, but they were fairly unique. So
yeah,
we're, hoping for the best when it comes to that. So
it's so fun when you're looking around for Harley Davidson stuff, because don't limit yourself to just the t-shirts. I mean, there's the patches, right? There's the plushes. There are t-shirts, sweatshirts, there are jackets.
Oh my gosh, there are
everything.
Signs. There are, here, let's check it out, because there's also a really good market just for any type of Harley Davidson collectible.
I can't believe that they didn't start manufacturing until 1994.
Okay.
So I guess if you have a 1994, was it? That's when they got. Well, that doesn't make sense, because I thought so. I saw somebody say 1990.
Okay. Well, either way, they've been making stuff since 1903, and there's a lot of vintage stuff out here. As we're checking out. Oh my gosh, 36,000 results for vintage Harley Davidson collectibles. And then, so we'll scroll down and we'll see how many have sold. So 36 available and 8,000 have sold. So, it's like a 1 in 4 or 5 sell through rate. So, chances are, check out this clock. Oh my gosh, look at that. $1,300 for this sweet looking clock. It's got the vintage font in there.
It's the man cave clock.
Totally.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, look at that. Even just like a half a helmet here. Vintage Harley Davidson went for nearly $900.
What is this? That's a vintage Harley Davidson motorcycle chain saver tin can that went for $8.99.
Yeah, somebody took a best offer, a little bit less than that. That's pretty crazy, right? So again, here's some more t-shirts in the $700 range. Here's that same clock that seems to be going for quite a bit of money. Look, just some old gloves, and a skull cap. Some vintage Harley gloves, leather gloves, a lot of those. Again, here's the signs. Who doesn't like to decorate their man cave or garage, with these awesome signs? But
the prices of these signs, I mean, $625, $599, $575. So these are really unique signs that you want to keep your eyes peeled for.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Even in let's check the little more like, hey, we'll actually find this range here. Let's go to like
the practical range, I like to call it.
$35 to say $75.
Perfect.
Let's see what the collectibles.
Those are the things that we're probably going to run into more frequently.
Yeah, a little bit more, sure.
Yeah.
All right. So again, we got another oil can going for about $75. What else we got?
Ooh, there's a couple of motorcycle jackets in this price range.
Okay.
That's cool for $75.
Yeah, you'd hope they might go for a little bit more, though, honestly.
Yeah, right.
A nice leather jacket like that, sure.
You're right. Look at that. Those look like really nice jackets, too.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh. So we got some gas caps here, motorcycle parts.
Piggy banks. Harley Davidson piggy bank fair.
That's what it is. Okay. It's a gas tank piggy bank.
$75.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. Well, look out for that one, guys.
Wow.
Chances are you'd see that in a estate sale or something, or very overpriced at Goodwill.
I mean, wow. I think that Harley Davidson's really production company really went bananas. They pretty much make everything.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And look at this. Okay. We've done shows on this before. Here is Department 56.
Stop it.
Department 56, Harley Davidson Motorcycle.
I'm so over Department 56 right now. I'm sorry. I love you guys out there, but please, no more.
It's just right after that season. But
it is.
When we see them, we're still going to pick them up.
Well, we love them, yes. But please, let's move on to beaches, sandals, bathing suits, and spring break, please.
Yeah, sounds good. And bikes. Okay, so we got even some coffee cups here. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's a jumbo size, but still $70 for a coffee mug.
What?
Yeah, my gosh. Look at that cool leather vest there. That's pretty sweet.
What is that rusty looking thing right there? The vintage 1930s.
Electric pancake horn.
What? A pancake horn? What's that?
I guess probably just a part, motorcycle part. One of the
I'm
horns.
Googling it after the show.
I see. All right. So here's some more clocks. We got a beer tap here, Harley Davidson beer tap, going in that price range.
I love the pinup girl and the vintage Harley motorcycle.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. Oh, it's so cool.
That's a cool little sign there.
Yeah.
Worth about $70 or so. I've sold a couple of Harley Davidson baseball hats. This one right here is less than took an offer of less than $70 for that. So I haven't found that cool of a Harley hat.
It was pretty sweet.
Right.
Yeah.
And then Harley's whatchamacallit, competition back in the day was Indian motorcycles, and those are also very highly collectible. Anytime you find Indian motorcycle stuff, really collectible as well.
So cool.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That was good. Yeah, no, I was gonna say so in this price range, it seems to be that you're actually looking for leather jackets. That's totally weird. I think they would go for like hundreds, right?
Exactly.
Jackets, gloves, little signs,
Belt buckles. We got
belt buckles.
There's a nice chain wallet here. That's pretty sweet. $75. That's something you would probably find.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's a throw blanket. $70 right there. Just anything with a Harley Davidson logo on it. You know, they've made just about everything, or have licensed people out to make stuff. So my gosh, when you see it, look it up.
But let's recap this for the people who are just joining. Okay, so now when we find a Harley t-shirt, we are really interested in seeing what's on the back, because that's where the great graphics are, and usually if there are.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Is it mostly on
Well, I mean, they're all different, sure.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so keep your eyes peeled for a lot of detail.
Yeah, the cooler the shirt, the better. You know, if you got
sharks.
You got sharks, you got like a hog sitting on a bike or something like that. You got the eagle, you know, flying around. Yeah, you check out the animal ones. Those seem to do really, really well too. So yeah, oh my gosh. So better the detail, I think, the better the shirt.
I do too. And everything. They make such great stuff. Everything, their boots, their buckles, or everything. So we hope that this inspired you guys to keep your eyes peeled in every avenue of your life when we're out thrifting, because Harley Davidson is really taking advantage of its fabulous reputation.
Yeah, hey, I mean, they're like McDonald's. I mean, they don't need to advertise. You know, the Harley is Harley. You know, we know it's a good quality, and people love it to collect and everything. So
yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for spending Saturday night with us, and we hope you're having a great weekend.
Absolutely.
It's like the calm after the storm, after the holidays, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah, it feels so great. Everybody, Happy New Year. Hope you're working towards all of your goals. We have so much fun and exciting things to be looking forward to ourselves.
I know.
Oh my gosh, just so many cool things coming
I know,
up,
on the calendar already. It's so fun. Oh my gosh.
We're working on some fun stuff too. So, oh my gosh, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. And
we'll see you soon. Right? Yeah. Tuesday night.
Every Tuesday night, we do our thrifting video. Thursdays, we do our what sold videos, and we're live every Saturday night. So
we're doing something every day, right?
Yeah, and then throwing shorts in between. We're posting every single day on YouTube here. So stay tuned, guys. And,
and enjoy and have a great week. And we can't wait to see you guys next Saturday night.
Yeah, guys, take care.
Bye. Have a great week.